Nowadays, thousands of people are using AI for their work. However, with great possibilities comes the massive responsibility of utilizing AI ethically. In my opinion, it's important to consider ethics to make sure we use AI responsibly. Ethics here means using AI without violating social values and human rights, as well as remaining transparent and accountable. Privacy is one of the biggest concerns when it comes to the use of AI in email marketing field. As marketers, it's our responsibility to be transparent about our data collection practices and to ensure that we are compliant with privacy laws and regulations, such as GDPR. Consumers have the right to know how their data is being used and to have control over it. Skipping out on providing data privacy can result in significant fines and reputational damage, eroding customer trust. Amazon faced a similar situation in 2021. Luxembourg Data Protection Authority fined Amazon Europe 746 million after the company showed target advertising without the proper consent of its users. Transparency is closely related to privacy. When using AI in email marketing, it is crucial to be clear with your audience about how AI is being used. This includes explaining what data is being collected, how it is being proceeded, and for what purposes it's being used. Always provide clear and accessible privacy policies and offer easy ways for customers to manage their data preferences. Bias and fairness are also critical issues when it comes to the ethical use of AI. After all, AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on. And if the training data is biased, the AI outputs will also be biased. This can lead to unfair treatment of certain groups or individuals, which is unacceptable. For example, if your AI system uses biased data to segment your audience, it might exclude certain demographics from receiving relevant offers. A recent example of such a case happened in the world of advertising. One retail company utilized an AI-powered ad platform to target online advertisements for toys. The algorithm, however, disproportionately showed ads for dolls and kitchen sets for users identified as girls, while promoting ads for trucks and building sets to users identified as boys. This reflected a gender bias present in the training data, likely based on the past user CTRs, which resulted in gender stereotypes being reinforced and children's exposure to a wider range of toys being limited. To mitigate bias regularly, audit your AI systems and training data, and strive to use diverse and representative datasets. The potential for the misuse of AI is another key ethical concern. AI should never be used to deceive or manipulate customers. Using fake AI pictures of products that look different in real life or generate comments from fake users to post online misleads consumers and can lead to legal problems. My advice for marketing teams is to establish ethical guidelines for the use of AI, ensure that all content being generated is truthful, transparent, and respects the rights of individuals. You are already aware that AI can greatly improve email marketing, but there are important ethical issues to consider as well. Marketers must focus on protecting people's data, tackling bias, and preventing misuse. Keep these ethical considerations in mind. They will help guide your use of AI and ensure that your marketing practices are not only effective, but also respectful and fair.